Hi, Heather. I was only able to find time and sit down and answer your questions. So I'm recording this video. Hopefully you are seeing my screen also. So I have taken these questions per your request from WebAssign Quiz 3, and we're going to go ahead and start to do question 4. I believe after I've done question 4, you will be feeling much better for question 9. So this is the function given for about an object falls and t is in seconds. So function has an input of t, like x. Okay, so you can think that function very similar if it was like d of x is equal to 2.666 x squared, similar to that. So we're going to find the rate of change between t equals 1 and t equals 4. So remember, rate of change will be equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 all over x2 minus x1. Well, actually f of x2 was giving us y2 values, and f of x1 was giving us y1 values. So think about the t's here like x, right? I think that might throw you away. So let's do that. So f of 1 will be equal to 2.66 1 squared, which will be f of 1. You will end up with 2.666. f of 4 will be equal to 2.666 4 squared, right? Oops, sorry. That thing should be outside. 4 squared. So 4 squared is 16. Then f of 4 will become, I'm going to pull out my calculator. No, this is calendar. Calculator. So it will be 2 times 666 times 16. Okay, so 42,656. 56, was it? 656. Okay, so then average rate of change will be, if you want to have f of 4 first, 42,656 minus 266 all over 4 minus 1, because we have taken 4 on top, and then average rate of change, if we do the algebra, so that's minus 2.666, all right, divided by 3. All right, so that will be 13. Oops, what was it? 33. Oops. And the unit will be, that's important, seconds, where t is in seconds, and height per seconds. Height per seconds. Why? Because this is t and this was height, and t was in seconds. All right, so this is 4. Now if you look at 9, there's no unit here, but that's just a function. Same thing, average rate of change will be equal to, these are our values, f of 4 minus f of 1 all over 4 minus 1. So we need to go ahead and calculate what f of 4 is. It will be negative 8 divided by 4 squared. So then f of 4 will be equal to negative 8 over 16. Alright, then f of 1 will be equal to negative 8 1 squared. F of 1 will be equal to negative 8. So let's do all this. Average rate of change f of 4 is negative 8 over 16 is actually, let's do this, negative 1/2, right? If you simplify it. So average rate of change will be equal to negative 1/2 minus 8. Okay, double minus, be careful. All over 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now you can do all this in your calculator. So let me see. Okay, so what was it? Okay, I need to negative 1/2 plus 8 over 3. Okay, sometimes okay, so that's what we want to do. Negative 1/2 plus 8 over 3. Let's do this in the calculator. Okay, negative 1/2. So, okay, I want to do negative 0.5. I can't change the sign. Okay, so I'm gonna do it this way. It's like 8 minus 0.5. Okay, divided by 3. 2.5. So then average rate of change here will be 2.5. No unit because we don't know the context. All right. Hope this helps. Best of luck.